So I was just offered $5,638 for someone to license my YouTube videos. So licensing the rights to your YouTube videos to train AI, is this a scam or is it real? I looked into it, I had a 15-minute conversation, and it is real. There's companies out there that want to train AI, but they want to do it the right way. So they're trying to get creators to license their videos so that you can sell them like a stock photo or like a stock video. So whenever somebody buys them, you get a commission. In this case, apparently, my videos could range anywhere from $12 an hour to $100 an hour, which is how they got to the $5,638. Based on the amount of videos I have or the times that I have, that's what the videos are worth. They're claiming that companies like Amazon, Google, Paramount are looking to train AI, so they want to buy content, and they've already invested somewhere like $30 million or something like that to train AI. This company, RHEI, Ray, or whatever you call it, they want to license your images and you have to sign a 2-year contract. They don't tell you that in the email. It's an auto renewal contract. So if you forget to cancel it, then you go again for another 2 years. What happens is if the company like Amazon is interested in a certain topic and you have videos on that topic, then they might look at what you have and purchase it to train, or purchase the license to train AI. They're still your videos, you own them, you do whatever you want, but they're using that to train AI if you allow them access. Now, everything's out there anyway, but the reason they want to do this is because they want to do it the right way. They want to get the rights to use that however they feel like later on. Now, you only get paid when or if a company buys or licenses those particular videos. There's no guarantees. That's how stock photography and stock videography works. It's very similar. The other thing is this company is taking 50% commission, which they don't tell you in the email, which is fair. 50% is actually very, very good out there. What they don't know and they don't tell you is that the final payout is based on what the company is willing to pay for that video, for that series, or for that topic. Something like photography apparently could go for $100. I kind of doubt it. The most likely scenario is that they're only going to give you the $12, which after that commission, in my case, my 52 hours of video would come to a total of $338.28. Now, that's only if one company licenses all my footage on my YouTube account. That could be licensed to different companies. Again, Amazon, Google, Paramount, all of these different companies could purchase that and license that multiple times in a span of 2 years. So you could be making those $338 a few times in a 2-year contract. What if a better offer comes later and you're locked into a year contract? Or what if all prices dropped, but at least now you're stuck with a 2-year contract? Again, this is all just for legal protection, which is why these companies want to buy the rights to license your footage to train AI, but it's still yours. And there's a whole bunch of other things in the contract. Again, legal speak. It was simple, but it was a lot. Now, I have a few reasons why I said no. Number one, I've been doing photo reviews in this channel for 3 to 4 years. I've done 32 monthly photo reviews, so almost 3 years of reviewing your photos. They're your photos. I'm not gonna license them. They're yours. I said from the beginning I was not gonna do that. The same thing with my photography contests. I'm taking your photos, I'm giving you a critique, I'm showing your images, and I have in the rules that I am not going to license that in any way, literally just using it for information. So that's one reason why I said no. The other reason is I don't wanna train AI. I know I'm just one person, and it's gonna run me over like whatever. I want to use AI. Like I said before, I want to have AI do my laundry and dishes, so I had time to create. I don't want AI taking over this so that I have time to do that. As one individual, I'm not going to do much with this pushback, but the more and more people do, I think the more we'll see a little bit of this. Besides, all the AI rules are constantly changing, so things are and now they're starting to protect creators a little bit more. So I have a feeling that things are going to start switching in our favor here pretty soon. So what would you do in this situation? Would you sell the rights to your videos to train AI to maybe make $5,000, $5,328, whatever it was? Most likely 300, but would you do it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's get a discussion going. I'm very interested in what you guys would do. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. My name is Charles Wollertz. This is Wollertz Photography. And here we talk about all things photography. This is something new, something that just happened to me, and I could not find much information online. So I thought I'd make this video. Anyway, thank you very much. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I jumped the gun there with the remote.